Hi, my name is Vibhu and today we're going to explore Notion and its free AI features in order to organize, collaborate, and to get things done easily. If you're a student or a working professional or a team leader or just someone who is just curious about knowing Notion and its AI features, then this video is going to be very much informative to you. I promise you that. Take a deep breath, watch this video till the end. Without wasting further time, let's get started. So for getting into Notion, all you need to do just open your Chrome browser and just type over here Notion. So all you need to do is just to go and just sign up, and after that you'll be entering into this page. And this is actually my Notion, and this is my account. Let me show you. Where is it? And this is my account. This is my Notion link, and I'm the only member in my workspace. This is my account, and here you will be finding the settings. Here you will be here. This is the notification setting. So here you will be finding all sorts of things, and this is the people setting, and here this is my invitation link. Now let's say you are a team leader and you have some task for your entire team. Then you can just do the task, and after doing the task you can copy this link and paste it to your teammates, and they'll be just getting access to this Notion page, your work with your teammate in a collaborative way. If you want to add member, you can just click on add member, and you can add your member by sending the link through email. And so this is how your account will be looking like. So this is the main thing. Now this will be your Notion page. Here you will be entitling your task. Okay, this is the inbox, whatever Notion page you will be entering. The mention page, if you have one team and anyone have any sort of query about the task, then he or she can comment on that Notion page. So that comment can be seen over here, and as you can see, at the mention or page activity or page invites. Okay, second, in the second you can see the search and members. So I have already shown you that. So this one is a search one. So whatever Notion page that you will be enter, or whatever task that you will be writing over here. Now let's say in a private sort of way. Now let's say privately you wrote something about yourself or something that you need to do, your future goals or your future task, and you want to find it. So you can go to this search bar and just type in search bar, and you will be able to find. I can just get access to all those files by just typing over here. You will be easily getting access to that. And now these are just favorites one. You can also add your favorites like that. You will also find the private section as well. Like you don't want to share it with your teammates or any other person. You just want to keep it inside of your own workspace. It will be just for you. Then you have also all this option as well. As you can see, getting this was one of my workspace, my to-do list, and this was a quick note. Like if you have your personal goal, then you can add it over here. So based upon that, you'll be finding subspace or like that. You can also duplicate the same thing over here, duplicate it, and you'll be finding you can duplicate the another thing over here. As you can see, you can also rename this entire page like quick note 2. So like that you can also do this. You can also add sub page. Like within this page there will be another page. It is pretty straightforward, and after that you'll be able to find your personal home, like whatever things that you want to enter about your own personal things, enter it over here. Like movies list, like whatever movies that you love, you can just enter it over here. Your yearly goals, your travel plans, your recipes, like whatever you want to eat. And you can also add your cover page over here. Like like what cover you'll be like. If you don't like this cover page, you will be just entering it. Or you can upload your covering page from Unsplash, or you can upload it from your desktop, upload your own file or some image link from internet. So this is it about personal home. And then you'll be finding one journal. Now this is your personal, like if you love journaling about yourself, about your own lifestyle, then you can just go daily journaling your personal entries. All these things will be private, no one will be able to see all these things. And here you'll be finding the reading list. There you'll be entering all these like reading list, like whatever things that you want to do, like listening podcast, academic journal, the contribution of neural, like whatever I have entered. In media, if you want to listen to podcast, or you want to read some articles, then you can just add all this list over here, and based upon that you can just go and check it out. And after that, this one is very much useful, Notion calendar. You just need to install its app. Let me show you. It is pretty much like a Google calendar, but it is much more easier to use. And after that, you can create your own team space for your team, for your entire team, your team name, your team's description. You can create, just click on create team space. You'll be able to create teams and can collab with each other. And after that, import like whatever file that you want to import, you can import. Now if you have a Sana account or Confluence account, or if you have some sort of account from here, you can just import it, upload from your computer. You can upload it from your computer, and whatever you'll be uploading, you can import it over here. And after that, you can add it inside your Notion page. Now I'll be showing you how actually things are written in Notion. I'll be just clicking into new page, and here you will be finding untitled section. Now this is the AI that write with AI. This is the AI that I wanted to talk about. Now let's say you want to enter a task. This is the task list, untitled. Just you can name the task. Now let's say I want to add a task about today's productivity. Today's productivity. This is basically the task. So here you will be finding different sort of sections. Okay, these are all empty. This is the date, actually this is the due date. So here you can actually rename the section or edit the entire section, or you can delete the property over here. And this is the property. You can add properties over here. Property means what? Like for this page, you want to enter like assign to someone. Now you want to assign this task to your teammate or to someone that you know. And then you can add attachment. So if you want to attach some file, then you can do that too by attaching the important file. And you can enter the date. However, if you don't want to enter, you can just delete the property over here. Or due date, like within this date you want to end this task. After that, a person, like if you want to mention any specific person, you can insert that person's name. Then priority, like how much priority it is, like your priority level. Let's say priority is like very much important, very important. You can click on create it. What you can do is, let me insert over here as red. Means it is a very important task. You are importing it over here. Now this is the status. Means whether this task is going on, or it is still yet to be completed, or this task is completed, done. So you can add the status over here, to do, or doing, or already completed. And this is the person, like this is actually you are sending it to other persons. Okay, you can actually add properties by creating something like productivity list. I have just created one property, okay, like about this task. So as you can see, productivity list has been included inside this property list, and inside the productivity list, whatever you want to enter, like this list have to be completed, like this list have to be completed as soon as possible, has to be completed. So this is all about the property section. You can also drag it, like whichever property that you want to include at first and whichever property you want to include at last. You can also do that like this, by just clicking on drag. You can also edit the property by mentioning its name. So AI autofill, if you click on it over here, it will automatically fill. I hope you are able to understand what I actually meant. After that, this is the comment section. Whatever work that you have entered over here and you want to send it to your teammate, then that teammate will be adding comment, their opinion about the task, or they can also attach, or you can also do that too. You can also attach the file and can insert it inside this comment section. This is actually the task. Understanding this was one of my tasks over here. All you can do is just to click on this plus icon. You will be able to just start writing text, or there will be another page, or there will be to-do list. Like if you want to add to-do list inside of your task, you can just click on to-do list over here, and to-do list will be starting to get appeared. As you can see, this is this box icon. Like whatever to-do list you will be entering over here, you can just ask its AI in order to either simplify the language or to change the tone. Okay, so you can also do that. It is really amazing. You can change the tone into a professional level, or a casual level, or a straightforward, or a confidently way, or if in a friendlier way. Like that, you can use its AI in order to do a task. Now let's say I want to enter about AI. Let me get some information about AI. Okay, so this is something about AI. I'll be copying it and pasting it over here. I'm just showing you in a very shortcut way. You can also add a heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4. Heading 1 have the highest value. Like if you want to type over here about AI, and you can also highlight it, color it. You can color the heading like this. In color section, you can also add the background color like this. You can also change the font size. Now you can also ask AI about its AI feature. It's AI about, it is a sort of like using Grammarly, which is really exceptional to use. Improve writing, you can also do that by improving the writing. As you can see over here, it is improving the writing. Now if you want to add something new to your task, like make it more creative, make it more descriptional, so that will be depending upon your preferences. You can add icon over here, like inserting emojis or some sort of icons. Now if I enter over here, you can also enter it like this, or you can add your custom icon by uploading. Like this is a Notion page, so I have a Notion PNG. You can insert it over here, and after that you can add cover, like this back cover. You can enter it. Now there comes, you will be sharing it or publishing it. Like if you want to share particular persons, you can use their email in order to send those person, or you can do is publish it. This will be the link. Allow editing. Okay, now if someone want to edit your entire site, either will be able to do that or not will be able to do that, depending upon this setting over here. Now if you want to allow editing, anyone who will be seeing your site, or anyone who will be seeing this Notion page, will be able to edit. Okay, and if you don't click on allow editing, no one will be able to edit other than you. So allow commenting. Now if anyone want to comment on this page, or will not be able to comment if you turn off this icon. Now let's view the site. So here you can see this is the site. So if you want to add your blog post, then you can just upload it. So build with Notion, you can get access to this. Now this is the comment section. This will be the comments, like whoever will be commenting over here, it will get displayed over here. Now this is also one of the important thing, log page. If you click on log page and now check it out, you will not be able to edit it. Now if you just click on the log page, as you can see over here, you will not be able to edit it. It doesn't matter where you click, you will not be able to edit it. Now if you just switch off the log page, you will be able to edit it. So that's it. Now view analytics. How many people will be exploring your Notion site? You can view the analytics by just clicking on it. So yes, that's the basic things about Notion. Thank you so much for watching this video. So if you love this video, then make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon, and I'll be seeing you next time. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.